Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Tecknet cordless mouse. This is the gaming version. So this is $15.99 at the moment. Oh, I think so, yeah. $15.99 at the moment on sale. It's also got a £2 voucher that you can put on, so that'll be $13.99. So it's not terribly expensive. So I do have a Tecknet mouse from before, which is dying on me. Well, it's already died. I've just been using it as it is. But now it's time to upgrade. So I've got another Tecknet one. It's pretty cheap because the other gaming mouses is pretty expensive. I would have got a Logitech one because I do love my Logitech, but the wireless one's about £50. I just wanted something cheap for now because I do have a normal mouse. I do have a normal gaming mouse, but it's a wired one. Whereas for my laptop I need something that's wireless because it's very difficult to play on my laptop if it's not wireless. Okay, so this is the model TKWM389. So this is a black version. You can also get it in white, I believe. So you got USB receivers inside the battery compartment, nothing else there. So this has 8000 DPI apparently, which is pretty good. If you don't know what DPI is, it's like the speed you can change it to. There's eight buttons that you can program yourself, which is pretty decent, and should work on Windows and Mac, I believe. Like plug and play without any issues. Let's have a look. What else would you get with it? I think you got a warranty with it. Yeah, 36 months warranty, so that's 3 years almost. That is 3 years, isn't it? That's only if you register it, so make sure you register it. And hopefully they give battery with it, otherwise I'm gonna have to get some batteries, guys. Do you know what I mean, guys? So yeah, let's have a look. So there's a thingy here. I need to cut that open 1 second. Alright, now that's been cut. I was expecting it to be a bigger package, but it's actually quite small. It's very compact. So let's see. Obviously this ain't gonna be your Logitech mouses, your actual gaming mouses, you know what I mean? But this is cheap for a reason, you know? As long as it lasts the warranty, I'm okay. So you get 3 years warranty, as you can see. Okay. There's your cordless mouse. I believe this lights up, so it will be nice to see that. Have I missed a page out? I think I have, you know. Let's have a look. Come on, you bastard. Yeah, I did miss a page out. Okay, so there's your diagram. So you should get mouse, receiver, and the manual, which I'm using right now. So it's just like the mouse, except it has colors on it. Pretty much. And next to buttons. So fire button is number 2. Where's number 2? Number 2 is fire button. Oh, there's an actual fire button in there. That's pretty good. You got forward button, back button. So that's what I had on the mouse anyway. That's what I used in the website, internet. Scroll wheel, DPI plus and bottom button. Okay. So it does use 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, which is good because it has a bigger range than Bluetooth. So it'll be better. Okay. So it uses 2 AA batteries, which are not included, you bastards. So luckily I did buy some with the shopping this week because I didn't know if I'd need it or not. So the other mouse I have only uses 1 AA battery. This uses 2, so that's another headache. So yeah, but yeah, when I do eventually get a proper gaming setup, I'm gonna get a wireless one with a rechargeable battery, because then there's no headache of changing batteries constantly. So the mouse is equipped with a low power indicator, so when it's out of battery, it's gonna be shining red, whatever you call it. The maximum battery life is recommended to use the mouse on white or light color surface. Oh, okay then. If now used, the mouse will drop into auto sleep. Okay, do not move. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's have a look at the mouse itself. That is nice. I've been needing a mouse probably for 2 years now. I've just been oh, that is quite light. that really feels good. I can't lie, that really feels good. Good build quality, beautiful. There's your fire button, so I can use that to shoot people. You got vents everywhere, probably just to let the light shine through. There's your forward and backwards button. The click noises are nice, man. You got your scroll wheel. Oh yeah, this has failed on my old mouse as well, the fucking scroll wheel. So hopefully this one's good. There's your DPI buttons, up down, and you have an on and off button which is underneath. Oh, so you turn it on this way if you want it normal, this way if you want LEDs on with the thingy. So let's have a look inside. You should have the receiver, and I might jump downstairs. Oh yeah, there's your receiver there. That's a nice holder for the receiver, I like that. So it does need 2 AA batteries, which I don't give, so I'm gonna go downstairs, grab some quick AA batteries, and we'll have a look what it looks like with the light on. Alright guys, put some Kodak batteries in. I already fell into my first struggle. That spring was a bit dodgy, so we might have to already return this once. We'll have to see. If the batteries pop out, then we have a problem on our hand. Ready guys? LEDs on. There you go. Hey, is that the only thing that lights up? I thought the whole mouse lit up. I think, don't tell me that's the only thing that lights up. That's pretty shit. I guess we'll find out, guys. Let me double check. Yeah, that is the only thing that lights up. Damn it. Oh, these light up apparently as well somehow, but we have to see any color. Switch it off, on again. Hey. Okay, so this lights up, these two buttons light up apparently, and then light shines through here as well. So yeah, pretty nice feel, I can't lie. So yeah, if there is any further problems in the future, I'll let you guys know anyway. You'll hear about it on my channel. Stay tuned for that. But as of right now, for the price, I highly recommend it, because it's pretty damn cheap for a gaming mouse. But the only thing that lets it down is these bloody lights. I was hoping for more lights, but it is what it is. I love my lights, but yeah, it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Might do an update, give you maybe a gaming play of it, but I think it'll be fine. It's really nice, very soft as well, the mat there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good night.